Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Love with Food. This is my August box and one of my favorite subscriptions because I love eating and so do the kids. So here's what the card looks like. This is the tasting unboxing, which is their smaller one. They do have a deluxe which contains more snacks. So let's just get into it. First thing we have is a fruit bar, 100% fruit, and this is a raspberry flavor. So we have that. Also have some trail mix that says it's unsalted. It has peanuts, raisins, walnuts, almonds, and seeds. But that's really good. Oh, cool. So the kids love Pop-Tarts. Everyone loves Pop-Tarts. I haven't seen one like this though. It's called Smart Tart and it's a strawberry chia one. No artificial flavors or colors. So it looks like it's lacking the icing, but it's healthier for you. So I'm going to give that a go, see if Jackson likes that. Nothing artificial. Gotta love that. Soft baked and ready to eat. That's exciting. Also have smoked meat stick. Yum. I love those. And it's hardwood smoke. No artificial ingredients. Next we have a bar, G2G bar. 18 grams of protein, that's pretty good. 4 grams of fiber, no preservatives, and it's naturally flavored. Almond coconut, that sounds really good. This is probably gonna be my breakfast tomorrow, honestly. I've seen this brand, so my husband has their, he eats their pancakes. They come in like a little individual serving thing. So I've heard of that, and I think they're big on protein too. Yeah, protein packed bear bites. These are graham crackers. Yum. Excited to try those. I didn't even know they made those. So that's cool. And the last thing in here, popcorners. Had those before, but this is the Flex Energy Packed Protein ones in a barbecue flavor, which I have not tried before, so that's super exciting. And then we normally get coupons, so we have like a wine voucher. If anybody uses those, feel free to take that code. Also have Simply Straws and Pack Picky. So that's just advertising Orgain. It's a kid's protein drink. Very cool. So if you guys would like to sign up, I will have all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.